Welcome back to the new cocinay.soy. I'm your host, Carmen Julia, and today we're gonna be making simmered beef with enoki and ginger.
Cut the beef into 5 centimeter pieces or 2 inches. Set aside. Peel and cut the ginger in julienne. Set aside as well. Cut the end of the enoki and separate them. Put aside too. Let's make the seasoning. In a small bowl, add 2 tablespoons of sake, 2 tablespoons of mirin, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Mix well and set aside. In a medium saucepan and medium heat, add the seasoning sauce, followed by the ginger. Bring it to a simmer, spread the meat, and place the enoki on the beef, simmering in low heat for 5 minutes. The enoki cooks faster, so it helps to give the meat longer to soak the sauce. Letting the sauce reduce down to intensifies the flavor in the broth. Wait until the liquid is almost gone and serve over rice.
And here is our simmered beef with enoki and ginger. Enjoy!